Hello guys, so this is the first video with regards to VAT exam sales. So yung first is sale and importation with regards to agricultural products, marine, livestock and poultry. Okay. So first, ano-ano yung VAT exempt with regards to those four? So first, let us put emphasis to the words original state, simple processing, and packaging. So yung tatlong yan will affect whether the product is VAT exempt or not. Okay? So, let's define muna what is agricultural, marine, livestock, poultry in simple terms. Agriculture, bigay ako example like rice. Pinapagrow natin yung rice and in the end, we consume. Okay? So that's agriculture in a simple explanation or example definition ganun. Marine, mga isda. We harvest, we consume. Livestock, mga pigs, ano pa ba? Mga cows, mga ganon, panghanap buhay or consumption. And then poultry, mga bird, I mean not bird, like chickens, we end up for consumption. So, tandaan natin to. Consumption. That's what these four have in common. May exception tayo, which are pets. Pets are meant for personal leisure, I don't know. Parang ganon. Pang personal siya, hindi siya for consumption or for yung purpose ng apat na to. Okay? So pets exclude or hindi siya VAT exempt. Start tayo sa VAT exempt sugar kasi may issue dito dahil lang sa sugar. So meron tayong dalawang sugar actually. It's either raw or refined. Again, let's go back to simple processing or yung processed. Yung raw, syempre hindi pa na-process. Yung refined, na-process. So in a sense, ito hindi na to VAT exempt. Yung raw, yung unprocessed, yun yung exempt. Ito, tatandaan nyo yung polarimeter reading. I don't know if lalabas pa to. 99.5. Kung degrees ba yun o Celsius? Basta 99.5. Pag less than, it is raw. Pag more than or equal, it is refined. So, 99.5%. Basta yan, 99.5. Okay. So, dito, original state. Simple processing such as freezing, drying, salting, broiling. Yan, basahin nyo na lang. And then, pinackage. Like, Tetra Pak, mga vacuum sealed, ganyan spelling. Basta yung simple packaging lang. Ganon. Okay. Para mas maintindihan pa natin lalo, magbibigay tayo ng illustration. Notes. Tingnan muna tayo dito sa notes. Yung apat, agriculture, marine, livestock, poultry. What do they have in common? They are for consumption or end up being consumed by us. Agriculture, we tend and then we harvest. Marine, we harvest, we consume. Livestock, we consume. Poultry, we consume. Okay. Illustration. Copra. Ito yung for oil. For oil siya. Is it for consumption? Yes. Bonsai. This is a plant for decoration. Consumption, hindi. Wood, we consume, no. This is for buildings. Barbecue, yes, na process, pero simple lang. To be honest, it's more on roasting, I don't know. Basta simple processes, pasok. Tilapia, marine. Roasted chicken, roasting, pasok. Oh, eto. Ba't hindi to kasama? Kasi yung canned pineapple chunks, if alam nyo yung tidbits ba yun? May mga extra silang nilalagay sa loob, like pampalasa, that stuff. Hindi na simple processing yun, may additional processing na silang nilalagay sa product. Sure, it can preserve longer life, pero may iba silang nilalagay dyan. Salted eggs, salting, pasok. Smoked fish, smoking, pasok. Flowers, decorations, not for consumption. Raw sugar, pasok. Muscovado, pasok. VAT exempt sugar, also known as muscovado sugar. Refined, hindi. Again, itong dalawa, less than 99.5, greater than or equals to 99.5. Okay. So, yun lang guys with regards to agriculture, marine, livestock, and poultry. Thanks for watching.